viewers, Namaste and welcome to our YouTube channel Vehicle Mania. I am your host Pranav P. Nair. Now let's move on to the next part is the electric park brake. The electric park brake indicator light turns on when the electric park braking brake has a malfunction. The next one is the distance warning. The indicator light means that a vehicle in front is too close or is being approached too quickly, or that a stationary obstacle exists in the direction of travel. Next one is a clogged air filter. The clogged air filter indicator light turns on when there is reduced airflow to the engine. So we need to check it or replace it and inspect it. The next one, it's a very important one, the child safety lock. The child safety lock indicator light means child safety lock is active. The check engine or malfunction indicator light, or the MIL. It is an indicator light which turns on whenever the engine is turned on to check the bulb. If the light stays illuminated, the car's diagnostic systems have detected a malfunction that needs to be investigated. Next one is a catalytic converter warning. The catalytic converter warning indicator light means the catalytic converter is either overheating or not operating as intended. Next one is the brake fluid. Indicator light means that the brake fluid level is low. So what does it mean? Whenever there is when there is an insufficient amount of brake fluid, the indicator starts blinking. Next one is the brake pad warning. The brake pad warning indicator light means that the brake pads are worn, need to be repaired. The next one is the brake light warning. The indicator light means an exterior brake light bulb is defective. So we need to check the operation of all the exterior brake light bulbs. The next one is the automatic gearbox warning. This means that there is a gearbox or transmission malfunction. The next one we'll do the anti-lock braking system, or the ABS. The ABS indicator light means there's a malfunction in the ABS or the anti-lock braking system. Next one is the all-wheel drive or four-wheel drive. The indicator light turns on when there is a malfunction with the four-wheel drive system. The other one, again the most important one, the airbag indicator. The airbag indicator light turns on when the front airbag is switched off. If this lamp lights up or flashes, there is a fault in the airbag or the seat belt system. Next one, the airbag deactivated. The indicator light turns on when there is a fault in the rear spoiler system. The next one is the adaptive suspension dampers. The indicator light means there is a need to contact an authorized repairer. The next one is a four-wheel drive or the 4WD lock indicator light. In this, the indicator light means that the vehicle's four-wheel drive lock mode is activated. The next one is the air suspension. This indicator light means that there is a problem with the air suspension bags, likely due to a leak or inflation issues. The next one is the normal one, that is the car trunk or the boot, in which this indicator symbol means that the boot or the trunk of your car is open. Next we'll move on to the next section, that is the lighting symbols. The vehicle lighting symbols are connected to your car's lighting system. These symbols are usually blue, green or yellow in color. The low beam indicator light. This indicator light means that the vehicle's dipty beam is on. Next one is the lamp out. The lamp out indicator light means that there is an exterior light on the vehicle that is not functioning properly. The third one is the high beam light indicator. That is indicator light which means your car's high beam headlight are on, or if the high beam flash function is used. The fourth one is the headlight range control. That is to control the power of the headlight according to the degree which we wanted to use in any type of roads. Next is the front fog light. This indicator light means that the front fog lights are turned on. Next, the exterior light fault. The indicator light means any exterior light on your car isn't working. Now, the auto high beam, which is an advanced feature for few vehicles. That is, the indicator light means the auto high beam system has switched on high beam headlights. Next is the adaptive light system, in which this indicator light will lit when the adaptive headlights are turned on. Hope you like the video. If you like, please do give a thumbs up and do share it with your friends. Also leave a comment and don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button to get all the new videos notifications. Till then, see you in the next part 3.